No.
Stay seated, ma'am.
No. You're required by law to,
All right, right now.
look for it.
Right now. Right now.
No. I'll say right here. You're required by law to
Okay.
look for
Okay.
interpreter.
Right now, we're going to put handcuffs on you because you're not obeying orders. So at this time, you're under arrest for DUI.
Sure.
What you are about to see began as a routine traffic stop and ended with an active highway crisis that required many independent officers to contain it. In August 2023, rural America, a pitch-black highway perimeter, a deputy saw a vehicle displaying erratic driving behavior in Walla Walla, Washington. The vehicle stopped in the parking lot where a traffic stop was initiated. As the officer approached the 32-year-old female driver, she faked that she was sleeping inside the car.
All right, so at this point, she has refused to identify herself. She's gotten out of the vehicle and attempted to walk away. I had her sit down on the sidewalk.
I'm sitting right here.
And then she began filming.
No.
Cool. I parked behind her. She was reclined, about to pass out. I knocked on the window.
No, because my friend's coming from
So, except refusing to identify herself at this point.
No, my friend's
What do you have driving license?
So I just left the jail doing a transport coming back. She was stopped in the lane, left-hand lane, not the turn lane.
So in lane, so you have 1, 2, lane 2.
Yeah,
she was right in there.
Stopped in lane 2.
Okay. In the middle of the highway.
In the middle of the highway. Okay. And my camera's filming right now, so you're aware.
Mine's filming as well.
She made a very slow left-hand turn. She got into the turn lane. She did use her turn signal, but then it was a very lethargic turn. Coming around the corner by the airport, she crossed that yellow line twice. Turning here onto this road, she did not use her turn signal, and then I parked kind of right there by that flag when I was on the phone with dispatch until I got approval to initiate the stop.
Police are liars.
So,
Okay.
but as you can see, watery eyes, slurred speech.
No.
Awesome.
Did you run the plate?
I give it to your dispatch.
Awesome.
Can we get the name of the RO and see if we can get a photo
Get a photo of your...
so we can identify her?
Yes, get a photo.
All right, ma'am. Deputy Stites, Walla Walla County Sheriff's Office.
No.
So just so you know, you're being recorded.
No.
You're being recorded.
No.
And so at this time, we're investigating DUI.
No.
You're not free to leave.
No sabe nada. Es que no buscaron que habla mi lenguaje. No.
So
Mira,
we're going to be doing some investigation right now.
No. Estos güeyes no saben nada. Please. Hey Richie, this guy is being a poser.
All right, ma'am. So we're going to need to know who you are.
No, you're a poser.
If you don't tell us,
No.
that's called obstruction. Okay?
Obstruction.
Yeah, so you're currently required by law to identify yourself right now.
No.
Stay seated, ma'am.
No, you're required by law to...
All right, right now. Right now.
No, I'll say right here. You're required by law to...
Okay. Right now, we're going to put handcuffs on you because you're not obeying orders.
I'm not obeying orders, I'm sitting
Yep.
right here.
You're going to keep sitting here.
Washington state law requires a driver to identify themselves during a lawful traffic stop. She had now refused 6 times. Deputies radioed for backup. Meanwhile, she remained seated on the sidewalk, filming them on her own phone. She made many attempts to walk away, assuming that law does not apply to him as her car was parked. Additionally, the deputy noticed her speech was extremely slurred and her eyes were shot.
No, I got to double lock these so they don't accidentally tighten, okay?
Accidentally?
Yep, we don't want them to tighten.
No, you guys are full of...
Do you want to grab your...
I'm parked.
And just lock those for me. Yeah, just relax. Relax.
No.
Okay?
Buscaron mi tapete?
Yeah, just relax. We don't want you to
You guys don't know language?
Yeah.
You guys don't know language?
Okay. Now just relax. Will you stay seated here?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Just stay
Claro
seated.
que sí.
Do you speak Chinese?
Chinese, ishine samchi.
Good.
Ishine Japanese, not Chinese.
Well, 我会讲国语，
Ishina.
所以我不会讲摩西文。So I don't speak Spanish, but I do speak Chinese. So if you speak Chinese, that would be awesome. We could talk.
Sanchi, go, Kusichihachi.
That's pretty good. Japanese?
Pretty good,
Yeah.
but not enough.
I like learning languages. It's pretty cool.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right, so how much have you had to drink tonight?
Call my friend Richie right now.
Does Richie know how much you've had to drink tonight?
Call him first.
That's great.
Who's
fucking
Richie
hard.
to you?
Why should I answer that fucking question?
Well, do you have a phone number that we can call Richie on?
Where's my phone first?
It's right behind you.
Would I cover on this?
Where are you trying to get to tonight?
Would I?
Home?
Would I?
So,
No eres de mi pinche tierra.
So
No
there's
sé
supplements.
nada de ti.
Would you like Deputy Deputy Atkins to try to do standard field sobrieties with her?
If you guys wouldn't mind taking this, I just got done dropping off a DUI, so I need to go do a PC report on that. So
Okay. Yeah, we'll
clear out.
we would just need a supplement from
absolutely.
you about what you saw,
Absolutely.
and then
Do you guys recognize
So
American
yeah,
native
I can stick around
culture?
as much as you guys
Do
need.
you not?
Okay. If you guys want to.
You guys are trespassers on our land.
Huge help.
Do you not recognize
I
that?
don't know if you need our case.
I'm sorry about that.
You're sorry, but doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was trespassing.
You are.
Okay, well, that's why I'm saying sorry.
People. And knock you
Well-
guys all out.
Well, I wouldn't recommend that. I wouldn't recommend that.
I'm sorry. But
She refused to share her name, refused to answer questions. Her only demand? Call Richie. Deputies didn't have a number. Her phone was in the car, and she wasn't cooperating enough to retrieve it. The field sobriety test hadn't even started yet.
So coming down the highway, she was stopped in lane 2.
So she was stopped in the middle of the highway.
Yeah, and then as I was approaching, I started slowing down. Real slow left-hand turn, coming onto the airport road, across the center line a couple times, and then turned into here, parked. When I walked up, you can see how far the seat was reclined, and she was kind of leaned over like she was
a lot of
I'm not
you're
gonna.
very
Okay. So at this time, you were under arrest for DUI.
care.
So,
I hate you.
we're gonna take you over to the jail, and we'll go from there. Okay.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Me
I'll go with you.
Okay. Do you have a wallet? Do you have?
I don't care.
Do you have a wallet in your car that you want to take?
Get me up.
Okay. All right. Let's stand up. All right. Is there anybody you want us to call about the vehicle?
Get Richie right now.
You said you want us to get him, but we don't have a phone number.
Get my fucking phone
Okay.
first.
All right. Once we get
If
you in
you're
the
fucking smart, get my phone.
once you're in the car, we'll take care of that.
The suspect was arrested for DUI without the administration of standard field sobriety tests based on two primary factors: overwhelming probable cause and her complete lack of cooperation and physical stability.
Let's go to my car. Okay.
You're fucking white as I can fucking get out of.
The right to a lawyer if you can't.
No.
Point of view.
No, I don't care what you say. Fuck. Surgery? Surgery is fucking tough.
Nobody said surgery. We're not qualified for surgery, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, aren't
guys,
qualified as.
Search and switch out these cuffs real quick.
You don't pee, I gotta pee. I gotta pee. You want me to pee in your car or what?
It's in the back.
I gotta pee. You want me to pee in your car?
No, you gotta wait till we get to the jail.
No, I gotta pee right now. I gotta pee right now.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna?
I gotta pee
Step
right
up here
now.
close to the car. Step
No,
up
I
here
gotta
this way.
pee right
there
now.
There you go.
Okay, let me pee.
Okay.
Right here? Yeah, you're welcome to right there. Go for it, man.
Don't fall.
I will fall.
Hello, is there anyone here?
Anyone here?
This is Deputy States Walla Walla County Sheriff's Office.
Can I hate people that hate people?
Do you need help getting up?
No, let me pee.
Okay, go for it.
No, I won't pee like.
Okay, well then we got to get in the car and.
No, let me pee first.
Well,
You gotta go to the jail and then.
yeah, at
No,
the jail you
I'm
can.
gonna pee right here, right now.
That's fine. How do you want to take care of that?
Right now. Call Richie right now.
Richie, are you there? Whoever was on the phone just hung up.
Nope.
Nope, he's still there. Or she's there. I don't know who this is. Did you want to say something, whoever's on the phone?
Give me him on my ear right now.
Richie.
Sorry, Richie. I don't know how to operate this.
So
Stop
Richie
this
just
right now. I gotta pee.
Richie just hung
Hey,
up.
I gotta pee.
Let's
Let
put
me
your cuffs on.
tear my
Stand her
underwear
up.
so I can pee.
Let's stand her up and just get. If she pees in the car, she pees in the car.
No.
Under arrest? She had now been in violation for over 15 minutes.
Oh,
For
you said
taking
that.
our lands.
You got cuffy?
Noted.
I hate you for taking my lands. You shouldn't belong here at all. We have our own tribal
What do you want to do with her car?
laws. We have our tribal laws.
It's part of the private property.
No, we have our tribal
So
laws.
if they want to tow it Monday.
No, let me see. Here, open the underwear so I can pee.
Stand up.
That's definitely not happening. It's happening right now.
Alright, okay, then go for it right here.
Jesus? No, Jesus is not involved at all. Yeah. It's happening right now.
Okay. Right now, what was your name?
You can chew your gum all you want.
Are you
Yeah,
done?
what was your name?
No, you can chew your gum all you want.
Thank you, what was your name?
No, you can chew your gum all you want.
Hey, are you done?
No, I'm not done. I gotta take too.
She's done.
Okay. Let's get you in the car.
Let's get you in the car. I'll take the car.
I'll just follow you guys to jail.
I'm done about it.
If we get the, we'll give you the case number, and then you can just do a supplement.
My cuffs are on.
Well, I thought you put his cuffs on.
Yeah, we didn't get the other one all the way on. Hey,
Cashier Chevron just called in advising male subject is becoming irate.
Here we go.
Eric!
Let's make sure your camera's on.
I'll be transporting one female to the town jail. Story mileage is 18107 814.
The 32-year-old woman was charged with 3 misdemeanor counts: driving under the influence, obstructing an officer, and failure to identify herself to a law enforcement officer, all under Washington state law. She refused a blood draw at the jail. Upon arrival, she refused to exit the patrol car and had to be forcibly removed. She then removed her clothing inside the holding cell, attempted to flood it by blocking the drain, and was observed trying to destroy the cell camera. Due to limitations in Washington's online court record system, her bond amount and final disposition is not known publicly. And what did she do inside that holding cell? That's a story for another video. Stay tuned. Ever wondered what goes into making a crime documentary? Each episode starts with in-depth research, careful storytelling, and countless hours of editing. From atmospheric visuals and detailed maps to sound design and motion graphics, every element is designed to build tension, add clarity, and bring the investigation to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating more compelling stories and deep dive investigations.